Discover a simpler way to live at Reidville Villas in Reidville, South Carolina, the area's only townhomes offering 2 main-level bedrooms, designed for easy, low-maintenance living in Reidville Town Center. Here, life is designed for connection and convenience. Enjoy a community with a pool, clubhouse, cabana, pocket parks, sidewalks, and even a dog park, all within walking distance to the future Reidville Town Center. Inside, these thoughtfully designed townhomes give you the comfort of main-level living with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a garage downstairs. Plus, there's even a 3rd bedroom on the 2nd floor, perfect for guests or a home office. Move in with confidence, knowing your home includes brand new systems and appliances, backed by trusted warranties. Reidville offers the perfect balance of convenience and small-town charm, ideally nestled between Spartanburg and Greenville's bustling Woodruff Road corridor, giving you access to shopping, dining, and everyday essentials. You're also just a short drive from several major healthcare providers and hospitals, making daily living as practical as it is enjoyable. This is easy, low-maintenance living where upkeep is handled for you, so you can enjoy a home designed for you today and for years ahead. If Reidville Villas sounds like the community you've been searching for, take the next step and join the interest list, so you'll be the first to receive updates as we get closer to opening for sales. I can't wait to welcome you home.